Looking for a little fun without breaking the bank? These affordable Amazon toys are going viral for keeping both kids and adults entertained for hours. From clever stress busters to playful gadgets that bring out your inner child, there's something here for everyone. All the products are linked in the description below. Think your gaming mouse is intense? This one actually kicks back. With a built-in motor, it simulates real recoil every time you fire, giving shooters a whole new level of immersion. The vertical grip design eases strain on your wrist so you can play longer without discomfort. A true trigger pull replaces the left click, and precision tracking keeps every shot sharp. You can even customize buttons and recoil strength for your perfect setup. Who knew TicTacToe could feel this futuristic? This handheld game lights up the classic grid with digital flair and 3 different play modes. Challenge a friend, go solo, or switch to silent mode when you need quiet fun. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for road trips or family nights. Plus, it keeps kids learning logic and focus skills without relying on screens. Every dice roll just got an epic upgrade. This metal spinner combines the thrill of roulette with the power of a full D&D dice set. Spin it, watch the dragon scales glint, and let fate decide your next move. The hefty metal build feels satisfying in your hands and guarantees lasting durability. Perfect for RPG nights, it adds a touch of fantasy and drama to every adventure. Ever dreamed of shooting webs like a superhero? Now you can. This web launcher lets you fire, reel back, and launch again with just the press of a button. The built-in motor makes it simple to reload, so the fun never stops. A magnetic or suction head lets the web stick to metal or glass for even cooler tricks. Perfect for cosplay, parties, or just feeling heroic at home. This isn't just a truck, it's a full racing arena on wheels. Open it up and a 78-inch track unfolds, ready for head-to-head competitions. Kids can launch cars down dual tracks and see who crosses the finish line first. The carrier doubles as storage, holding up to 16 cars so nothing gets lost. Durable, portable, and packed with action, it's endless fun for little racers everywhere. Fidget toys just got a serious upgrade. This is a mechanical slider with 3 different play modes: side push, maze plate, and button clicks. Each movement gives you crisp feedback and even a cheerful little ding sound. A ceramic bead inside the maze plate makes every slide extra tactile and satisfying. Swap out plates, explore patterns, and enjoy stress relief that feels as fun as it sounds. What if you could drive a car with just your hands? This stunt RC car follows your gestures, twisting, flipping, and spinning on command. It drifts in all directions, pulls off 360-degree rotations, and even drives upside down. Switch between off-road and on-road with ease, powered by big roller tires. Add flashing lights, music, and hours of playtime, and you've got a showstopper for kids and adults alike. Forget electronics. This game is powered by pure mechanics. Hyperlapse. Legacy lets up to 4 players take control of spaceships in a fast-paced magnetic battle. You guide the ship with one hand and strike with the other, using a spring-loaded rod for quick and precise moves. The magnetic bumper grabs the steel ball, giving you total control and sneaky strategies. Built from wood and steel, it's part game, part masterpiece you assemble yourself. Why walk when you can bounce? These moon shoes let kids hop, jump, and spring around like kangaroos. The sturdy frame and rubber grip soles keep each landing safe and stable, while adjustable straps ensure a snug fit. Not only are they fun, they're also a sneaky workout that builds strength and burns energy. Perfect for outdoor play, parties, or just turning the backyard into a bounce zone. This is no ordinary Frisbee. It's a light show in the sky. Packed with LEDs, it glows in millions of colors, turning every throw into a dazzling spectacle. Smart motion sensors make the lights switch on and off automatically, saving power as you play. A quick charge keeps it going for game after game, even at night. Waterproof, durable, and perfectly balanced, it's built for both serious matches and backyard fun. Unleash your inner superhero with these retractable claws. Just slip them onto your fingers and extend them with a simple move. It's that easy. Each claw expands and retracts smoothly, letting you strike dramatic poses or pull off unique gestures. Made from durable plastic with smooth edges, they're safe and comfortable to wear. Perfect for cosplay, parties, or just bringing a little comic book action into your day. Ping pong without the table? Yep, that's a thing. This clever game hangs right from your doorway so you can play anytime, anywhere. Just grab a paddle and keep the ball moving, solo practice, or challenge a friend. It's simple, fast, and addictive, helping you sharpen hand-eye coordination while having a blast. Setup is quick, and the whole thing stores neatly when you're done. This ball isn't just bouncy, it's out of this world. The crater design makes it rocket off the ground higher than you'd expect, with a loud pop every time it hits. You never quite know where it'll bounce next, which makes games extra fun. Toss it with friends, use it for trick shots, or just brighten a boring day. Lightweight, tough, and totally addictive for all ages. Forget hoverboards. These futuristic skates let you glide like you're in a sci-fi movie. Slip each foot onto its own self-balancing skate and take off at speeds up to 7 miles per hour. The brushless motors keep your ride smooth, while built-in LED lights add some serious style. They're portable too, with a handy strap for carrying when you're done. Fun, fast, and totally unforgettable. Why settle for a few bubbles when you can unleash a full-on bubble storm? This bazooka-style blaster shoots out thousands at once, filling the air with a glowing cloud of fun. Built-in LED lights make each bubble shimmer, especially at night. It's lightweight, easy to use, and safe for kids, pets, and even party guests. Perfect for birthdays, beach days, or just turning an ordinary afternoon into magic. This isn't just a toy, it's like holding a beam of glowing magic in your hands. The rope launcher shoots a UV reactive string that looks like it's floating mid-air, following your every move. At night, it glows brilliantly, creating shapes and patterns that look unreal. It's portable, rechargeable, and safe to use anywhere. Whether at a party, concert, or just hanging out, it's guaranteed to grab attention. Meet the little robot that makes learning feel like play. This AI-powered buddy chats, jokes, and even dances with kids, keeping them entertained while sneaking in valuable lessons. Packed with educational games and apps, it helps build curiosity, creativity, and confidence. The smart sensors keep play safe, and the touchscreen makes it easy to explore. It's more than a toy, it's a friend that grows with your child. This quirky little instrument from Japan is as fun to play as it is to look at. Slide your fingers along the stem to change the pitch, then squeeze its cheeks for a wobbly vibrato effect. It can sound silly or surprisingly musical, depending on how you play. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for jam sessions with friends or campfire sing-alongs. A playful way to explore music for all ages. It looks like a glowing orb from the future, but this little sphere actually flies right out of your hand. Toss it at different angles and watch it zoom, spin, or even boomerang back to you. Smart sensors keep the propellers tucked safely inside, so it's fun without the worry. Lightweight, rechargeable, and built to handle bumps, it's a toy you can launch indoors or out. Pure magic in motion. This isn't just a drawing board, it's a glowing canvas for creativity. Kids can sketch, doodle, or write notes, then watch their designs light up in 7 colors with 4 different lighting effects, from steady glow to flashing rainbow. The acrylic board wipes clean easily, and it comes with markers, a spray bottle, stands, and even a hanging chain for flexible use. Perfect as a message board, study aid, or nighttime art station, it turns everyday notes into something magical. Game night just leveled up. This board game table gives you a dedicated play space with a recessed vault area that keeps everything organized and immersive. Need the dining table back? Just snap on the removable top and it transforms in seconds. You also get a smooth playmat, detachable cup holders, and dice trays, so you're always set. Assembly is easy, legs on, screws in, and you're ready to roll. Here's a backyard toy that takes playtime to the next level. This giant inflatable dome lets kids bounce, climb, roll, and tilt for hours of non-stop fun. 6 built-in handles give them something sturdy to grip while turning play into a team adventure. The cushioned surface is soft and safe, making tumbles part of the fun. Inflate it in minutes, and you've got an instant outdoor playground. Turn everyday objects into instant art. This 3D pinboard lets kids press in toys, hands, or even faces to create amazing impressions that pop right out. Each press sparks creativity, encouraging little ones to experiment and explore shapes. The colorful pins aren't just fun, they help with color recognition too. When playtime is over, it doubles as a quirky decoration for a desk or shelf. Bring the stadium right to your tabletop. This mini soccer game lets 2 players face off with flippers that pass, tackle, and score just like the real thing. The sloped field, scoreboard, and goal bell make every match exciting. Kids sharpen reflexes, coordination, and focus while having a blast. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for family nights, parties, or anywhere you want a little competitive fun.